here we have number 3, a weigh this. Notice that 80% of our customers order coffee, 25% of them order biscuit and coffee, and 15% does not order neither. You're gonna make a Venn diagram and then fill out that table to answer those questions, okay? So we're gonna fill out the table first. It says 80% order coffee, so that is the total right here. Customer order coffee, so that's 0.80. Then we have 25% order both coffee and biscotto, so that's the and, right? Look, you see how it's the 25% order that, so that's 0.25, that's the and 15% does not order neither, so neither is right here at 0.15. We know the total always has to be 1, okay? Right, so let's do some things here. This is 0.20 because that has to add up to 1. Then this is 0.5 because this adds will equal to 0.20. Then we add 0.25 and 0.05. This becomes 0.30. We can go across 0.8 minus 0.25. That gets you 0.055. Oops, sorry. 0.55, and then 0.55 plus 0.15, that gets you 0.70. That becomes 1. Perfect. All right, now we're going to use that chart to do this. Biscotto but no coffee, so that is probability of biscotto and no coffee, coffee prime. We have that B in here, so it would be this value right there. This is the B and C prime. Okay, so that is equal to 0.05 or 5%. The OR, so the OR of this is probability of B or C would be just probability of B plus the probability of C minus their intersection, B and C. Okay, and we know what B is. The B total was right here, 0.30. And then the total C was 0.80. Then we have to minus that intersection right here, minus 0.25. Because if we add those, it would be over 100. So 0.3 plus 0.8 minus 0.25. This gets you 0.85 or 85%. Notice the OR is the complement of this. So if you do 1 minus 0, the 0.15, you're actually going to get this number here of 0.85, which is this number. So biscuit or coffee would be the complement of biscotto and coffee. Are the events independent or not independent? Well, it's independent if the probability of coffee and biscotto is equal to the value right here of 0.25. Okay, let's test that. So we're gonna calculate that. Probability of coffee and biscotto is equal to probability of coffee times the probability of biscotto. Coffee was 0.80 times the total of the biscotto, which is 0.30. If we multiply that together, 0.8 times 0.3, this gets you 0.24. Notice these don't match, so it's not independent. Okay, it's not independent, right? So now, are they mutually exclusive? Well, mutually exclusive, this means there's no overlap, But this is not mutually exclusive is when they are overlap, right? There's overlap. Okay, if we take a look at the Venn diagram, the 0.25 is the intersection. The left side here is the biscotto, so I can do that, which is 0.05, which is this part. I should make that in blue. So 0.05. And then the other part, which is the right here. This is the C and not B, which is 0.55. So you see how there is an overlap? There's an overlap. Therefore, this is not mutually exclusive.